another YouTube video. Today we are going to have another day up in Montana in the Paradise Valley. This will actually be my last video from this series. Again, this was a family vacation trip to celebrate my father's 60th birthday. In this video, we're just going to be hanging around the property that we rented, going for a bit of a walk up the Yellowstone River, and then just enjoying a nice evening at home. It really is pretty much a glorified home movie, but it's very important to me, and I figured I would share it with you. At the end, you're going to see where these rad t-shirts come from. Notice it is the Grateful Dead Scully logo with my family's logo, the Morrissey Farms chicken inside of it, celebrating Morrissey Farms Gerry week. Before we get into the video, I do just want to say thanks as always for watching my YouTube channel. I really appreciate the views. I appreciate all my subscribers, and if you're not already, do consider subscribing. Moving forward, we'll be getting back into the truck camper. So building out the cabinetry like I've talked about before, I have a bit of a backlog with that. Also, good news, I've upgraded my camera equipment. I got the Sony a7S. The reason for that is because I'm actually shooting video professionally now, a little bit professionally. I'm shooting some weddings for some friends and also friends of friends. So that's really great for me. If you're in the Front Range and you need a wedding shot or any sort of video shot, get in touch with me. I'd love to help you out. With that, let's get right into this beautiful day going for a walk down the Yellowstone River.
Yellowstone River. I think this is the Yellowstone River. Is it? We're in Paradise Valley, Montana, Tennessee. We're in Montana. It's a lovely day out. The sky looks pretty large. We're going for our MFH. Morrissey Family Swim. Morrissey Family Hike. That's the house that we're staying in this week. Wow, look at that beautiful masterpiece on wheels. I like that here, even though presumably we're in the middle of nowhere, slash Paradise Valley, they have the public park down here. This is something you probably wouldn't find on the East Coast. Got some farmland and then public park? Nah, that's not that sign was pretty cool. Apparently there are some laws in the state of Montana to help fishermen access the waters, and so even if there is private property up to the river bank, you can still usually get to the water to fish on. We thought that was pretty cool. Really great thing the state of Montana is doing right. After this hike, we just walked back to the house and again just had a cookout, enjoying the beautiful sunsets in the Paradise Valley. I'm just going to let this video play out. I will be back, but as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Very nice.